I see what people are coming to life.
Other one.
Am I wrong? Let's take out the cup, yeah.
Yo, you want somebody from
What the fuck man do with that? I rum me a drink and Pepsi. Job.
Why tap on the rubber, yeah.
See. Rum and Pepsi me a drink. I drink rum and Pepsi.
Can't drink no more.
People, you know, a long time me not go live, people. Me not go live long time, you know. Long time. Me not go live on a login little. Me chat, me talk my mind. Long time me not go live, people. No login, 60 years. Make look more forward. A long time me not go bumbuck that live. Me want chat. Even for 5 minutes. Me want chat, people. Me want chat even for 5 minutes. People.
Life full up so quick.
I'm telling you something. It's a Jamaica people. Jamaica now run good in a paper. Okay, you have a country where we start dancehall music. And sound system culture come from late 40s. 50s come right up. Saying? And a Jamaica. Look at society people them. I go and let them want to fight, that's something and kill it. And all of them with that Jamaica now say nothing. All of them are Jamaica now say nothing. People, I just want to listen to me for one few minutes, you know, because I nasty long. See? No fun of the overseas and on like reggae music, I don't have sound system. I don't have sound system and them things. I don't love the music, I don't love the culture. But people are Jamaica. Jamaica people. After all, them artists here will start that something here from nothing, people. From nothing. Them sing all them life and they don't get no money. Them sing for this a producer, that the producer. Enough of them dead like Papa Jamaica people. I chat to the hey, people. Them dead and have nothing. And sound system are one of the biggest culture we hold up dancehall and people. The one little smaddy, the one smaddy where we have a Jamaica people. A fight for dancehall. Them a try kill her. Them a try kill her people. If you don't follow me, no people, remember say, in a word, them say them are Anna David Radigan and Rare. I mean look out and I say, alright, you can't Anna Radigan, yes, him do, him help the music. Saying, but you have people like Danny Dread who used to play Volcano and play Addies and Jazz Crew and all them man there. And Burro Bantan them and everybody people. Where we go so boom and fight for music. And no government never honor them. Saying, and man fight people. Saying, and Babsy Grange, me a PMP at Jamaica. You see me people, me and Footer Hype, me the man. A three artists where we fight for PMP party. I will loyal to PMP party and we fight with them because you in a care wagwan, you are going to have a party where you like. See like how you have good and you have evil people. See? And PMP party people where every artist at Jamaica and 99.9% of the sound system them a PMP party them fight for from Sturmar, Kilimanjaro, Socialist Roots and all the artists them Early B them Super Cat everybody fight for PMP party. Saying people and you can't count the labor rights sound them on one hand. Saying King Sturgraph, Stereophonic and maybe one and twice more. And Josie will them a labor right and Charlie Chaplin them, General Echo them and so. So you know the labor right them people. And everybody were in a music saying a PMP. And people a PMP party bringing nice abatement act in a Jamaica in the 90s. I'm sad mash up dancehall. KD Knight, who was the then Minister of Security, come and say, him like dancehall and I want to see the big old black box them. He must say a Calypso. Calypso, big up Trinidadian people, a few of the music. I have nothing against it. Saying, but if Jamaica dancehall music and sound system culture originate people, saying, them for respect with culture and PMP party people. Bringing nice abatement, I can start fight against dancehall in Jamaica. Paper, me fight for that something, I fight for it, and me fight for it. I want me say, them now on a paper, me put my life on the block, and me start fight for this. And me I fight. It reach a stage where this unity go on with sound system, and everybody I say, me I look props, me not look no props. People all my life, a sound system, me play from me a 10-year-old, and me a 55-year-old now. So from 10-year-old people, from 10-year-old to 55-year-old, and me a fight for it. You know why? This is a culture where it take on from Jamaica and it go worldwide. So big up Japanese, American, Canadian, Chinese, everybody will take it on our culture. And people, the one smarty, or we have a Jamaica, I help fight for music. Babsy Grange, she a labor right. She a labor right people, me a PMP. Saying, they want to bring down the woman and fight woman and kill her at Jamaica. Saying, them have this place named JCDC people. Where them do with festival thing at Jamaica. Me a young youth. Me in a marching band. All my life me in a marching band. I grew up. And Grand Gala was a place where we used to go. Everybody go there and mingle. We are youth. People from Rima, Tivoli, Gardner, Jungle. All of the volatile areas them in Jamaica. And we know. But one and the other. And in them time, politics calm down a little. When PMP party coming for 18 years, after a while, them stop Grand Gala and the unity they stop. When Labour Party win, and Babsy Grange became the Minister of Culture, she start back Grand Gala. Saying, people, what year? Last year before Corona come in, I mean this year, February, the last year February, Reggae Mount of Jamaica, and she honor sound system, and she honor all of the foundation selectors them. Saying, and a lot of the DJs them, with PMP government, with me as a PMP, the party where me love, not do people. And a vibes are going to Jamaica like no one bring down the woman now. Bring down the woman name to disrepute. Saying, people, all of them rob Jamaica. All of them politicians rob Jamaica. Just the other day, you have some of them saying, do big robbery at Jamaica people. And them a try buy out the case because Jamaica corrupt. And the one somebody who fight for music and fight for dancehall, they might try to bring her down. Me done. All I own, me have 155 paper on a live here. Saying, what me I say? On advice to brother. On love dancehall, no for on sound system, man. On spend money on dub plate. On fight on the sound system. And the people who love the culture. Full time now we fight and done the fuckery and we help that something here and try to defend that something here. And who I look out for we, saying in our music, we go so boom and help them for look out for we people. We ask them for, we fight for make them look out for we. This can't continue, me done. Eh? Be a sellout star. Be a sellout Aguana Jamaica. So all who put in work, little wicked just dead, squingy all the way. We put in work, me I got dead one day, all the way I got dead, everybody I got dead. And then what we do, and where everybody put in the cocks in them, everything just go down the drain, so. Them look a dirty politician with that Jamaica, you see? So me I say, when I love music because people are them a fight the music at Jamaica, them and them look a uptown friend. See? Them and them look uptown friend. Calypso and soca not originate from Jamaica. Then give that presidents over reggae music. Sunday when people go to church and them thing there, and them they tend to have road march at Jamaica. And people, them they on road naked and all those things. You think say, we could have got some bombs on my life and both we keep a carnival for reggae music. We would never get no permits. No permits would I get. No permit people. Saying people rough at Jamaica, you know. Rough at Jamaica. A fight we a fight for all the culture, yeah. Now sound clash now go on at Jamaica, nothing now go on because I know so we don't want to do it. Saying we're back against the wall because everybody a fight against we at Jamaica. So uno who the overseas, we a clash all over the place and all the culture. We thank uno. We thank uno. Without uno, it is a dead long time. Because Jamaica now no vice again. when it comes to reggae music and sound system culture. We don't have no voice. So one thing I say, Tony, you know, when you go and help we, because if you don't help we, it'll go dead pan we. It'll go dead. It'll go dead, people. When you fight and help with anyone of them in the world, help that something here. Because the politician end up on a mission for done this. And the one smarty will love the music and a fight for Babsy Grange, them out for kill her at Jamaica. Cho she a fight for we. I mean a PMP and she a labor right. But when it come to sound clash business and reggae music culture, politics not coming and that's something there. You know, no politics not there in that no more people. People, we do this for honor. We do this for honor. Not sure you hear me a matter and we at it sometime and maybe one of them are at it. People is when it come to down to the ground roads, people. We love this from our heart. Every man with a speaker, amplifier, the King Jammies, them the Jaros, everybody, the Stone Loves, we love this people. And the culture we take on all over the world. Them a help kill it. Them a go kill me, you know, people. Come not stop. First, me a beg you for help, you know. We need help. Who know where overseas a vice to? And the music don't want to play. Why not spend so much money on dub plate? Why not send so much money come to Jamaica and a vice dub plates? Eh? Money was no found now go make back because I love the culture. Why not spend so much money and buy sound equipment? Because I love the culture. So the place which bought the thing originate. Oh, yes, sir, Jamaica. You not tell me, say, we not no vice. All of the artists, them sell out and them bow out and them drag out. Some of them were Rasta and say them a Rasta. Them lose the faith. Them not deal with the music again and figure out about the roots and where the thing come from. Sin. Be a foolishness. I go on to the music. People. Rough at Jamaica with the music. He said that something has survived one more year at Jamaica. Good it good. It not good none at all. Because before Corona come in, a be a problem for dance skip. A be a problem if a sound string up. And now since Corona come in, me done saying it's like them get to them want because the sound can't play. For 11 months. No big sound up play at Jamaica, so look monitor box and people are hide and keep party because them have to eat food somewhere. And nobody in the government no come out and say how the entertainment industry has survived. Nobody no come and say how it survive. And once Maddy I say how it survive. And a Babsy Grange. Once Maddy. People, all of them rob money at Jamaica, you know. You say Babsy Grange want rob. She for rob. You know why she for rob? Because she still keep event, make event a go on. And she make sure say, oh, in the business and enough for the foundation them, then give them trophy, one little award, where they can put in them house and then look pan. And them look pan people. If you say them contribute to that something here. People. Not even a museum we have at Jamaica. Not even a museum. We have a Jamaica where people can come and come see all the artists in pass and Ghana, all the sound system them from A to Z. And know said they were there. And all of the selected them from Archie where used to play Gemini, the Glamour way and them, the Ian where used to play Roadstar, not no paper. And if you go to Europe, saying, yeah, play X amount of euro, if you go look on Stone, saying, at the Coliseum, Stone people in Italy, Rome. And we have so much culture, and the government not put nothing in place for that. A lot of the artists, them dead at Jamaica, people when them dead, them a papa, them cannot even bury themselves. Them can't bury themselves. Saying, a lot of them play sound system and them drop out. And maybe someone will say about them should have put them money to use, but put what to use? Enough of we play music, and God bless how we get a night time. So enough of the youth them go up on their own and say them done with sound system, we can't blame them. Because when a sound man even get to $80,000, if him not have no chuck and him have to play a chuck man, 120, him have to play the youth then will lift a box. A selector, at least him have to give him a 1.5 or 1.10 grand. Him not have no money, people. Him a fear buy speaker and all them something there. Can't blame the youth them. See? People, it's rough at Jamaica, man. I tell you no. It come like say, all them focus on people. All of them focus on a negativity. If angel skin out her pussy, everybody run and go and look on that. And they pan ray and this and bumbo clot that. See? But when a man figure so boom and put a voice and post something for defend the music, we not do it. So why you not spend so much bumbo clot money and cut dub plate every day? I wanna sound man and I wanna this, I wanna that, my lad. And a Jamaica where no far wanna come from. Eh? No voice. People, the music gone from we. It gone. Only where the music can go so boom and preserve people. And who know have to help. I look for one night time and post it and say, any man will have sound system. Anywhere over the world, if you have one little amplifier in your basement, or you have one little piece of equipment where you not use, send it come to Jamaica, come give me. Let me find somewhere and fling them. I know when I talk about money, me I look on this and that. Me don't need nobody money, I Ricky Trooper my name. We can have a little foundation set up people, me I fight for that. Well, our music can preserve. See? The other day, Squingy dead and gone, and few days ago, or 1 or 2 weeks, at the day where the youth dead. And nobody on social media no member. And me go on social media go post and say, yo, you know, say today Squingy drop out. Nobody now remember them something there. We need some of the people can go so boom and go look at people know. And all them people put in work saying, people can come look pan things in that. See a tube amplifier, see a microphone we used to use before, saying, see a tape. People, the one box where King Tubby's son used to have, where did they run a Waterhouse? Somebody from Europe come and take that sound box and bring it, go to Europe and have it over there. That's just priceless. I may go up on the Ministry of Culture and cuss and say, Babsy Grange, you don't forget back that a Jamaica, I don't care how much money it costs. They might fight to get back all those artifacts back to Jamaica. Because them they come like the Ark of the fucking Covenant. Saying, paper, my art, your paper. Long time in the come on social media. You know. The one woman people we are help with. They might kill her at Jamaica now. All I know advice. Use social media, use everywhere people. The ones somebody we are help with the music. They might fight her. And if them conquer her, dog nyam will support Jamaica. Dog nyam will support people. Saying, big up on yourself, you know, have a blessed. Just run this show me head. See the culture your people. Whether you're Chinese, whether you're Japanese, whether you're American, whether you're Canadian, you come from the island, in the dancehall and sound system. It started at Jamaica, but I all we won. Nobody change start at Jamaica. I all we won because it's from one I want to play reggae music, and one I want to have a sound system, one I want to cut even one dub plate in our life. I want to try preserve the culture, yeah. So anything I want to do is fucking priceless. So I beg on the people. Be a sellout at Jamaica. Everything they must sell out. And the greatest thing we have at Jamaica people, the music and the sound system culture, they must sell it out. On help we know. We beg on for help we. Bless. Respect.